Pasquetta,
which literally translates as Little Easter, is the Italian name for Easter Monday.
Pasquetta. Ogni anno Pasquetta cade in un giorno diverso da quello precedente.
Every year, Easter Monday falls on a different day than the previous year. Traditionally, Pasquetta is a day for relaxation in Italy. Many Italian families enjoy packing a picnic filled with Easter Sunday leftovers and heading out to the mountains, countryside, hills, or beach for a fun-filled day outdoors. These outdoor excursions are called
Scampagnate,
in Italian. Another tradition is the
grigliata,
barbecue, where friends gather together to eat and relax in the backyard of somebody's house. Unlike Good Friday,
venerdì santo.
Easter Monday is a public holiday in Italy.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.